Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome profile picture on Funimate. So first you can just open the Funimate app and tap on the plus button and choose to edit video and select the photo that you want to turn into your profile picture. So for example, I'm going to go with these photos right here. Click on a check icon and now you can just go with the one by one video format because most apps use a square profile picture, so this keeps everything centered and clean. Okay, now you can just go to effects in here and just search for glow or aura. In here, let's go with aura. So for example, I'm going to go let aura 4. Okay, I think I'm going to just use the auto one in here. So just long press on the effects until it applies to all of your photos like this. Let's go back, and then next you can tap on stickers. If you want to, but you can always skip that part. Here you can click on color and adjust the color of your photo, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. Okay, so when you are done, you can just here click on the arrow at the top right corner, and here you can just choose save to private projects. And now you can just click on save to gallery. And that's it. You've just created an aesthetic and unique profile picture on Funimate, all for free. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.